Solar panels are everywhere. But here's what nobody tells you. A single cubic yard of wind moving at 20 miles per hour contains more energy than the sunlight hitting a solar panel of the same size. And right now, there are 6 turbines you can actually buy, designed specifically for your home, that the energy industry doesn't want you to know about. Let's break them down. The truth about wind, 0 banding 20, jam 0 lewat 40 menit. We've been told home wind power is a hobby, that you need a 60-foot tower, a second mortgage, a structural engineer. All of that is now outdated. Modern engineering has brought wind power down to human scale. And these 6 turbines prove it. Tesup Atlas 0 banding 40, jam 1 lewat 20 menit. The problem: zoning laws won't let you build a tower. The solution: don't need one. The Atlas is a vertical axis turbine that mounts directly to your roof or a simple ground pole. Because its aluminum scoops spin vertically, it catches wind from 360 degrees simultaneously. It doesn't care which direction the wind blows. And because all forces go straight down through its center, no vibrations, no humming, no structural damage. Entry level starts at $900. Full modular kits run $1,500 to $3,000. Capable of up to 10 kilowatts of raw power. Start spinning at just 9 miles per hour. SD Wind Energy SD6. The problem: every other turbine shuts down in a storm. The solution: this one works hardest when the storm hits. The SD6 from Scotland uses 0 computers, 0 sensors, 0 digital braking. When wind speeds get dangerous, its blades automatically twist themselves using pure centrifugal force, shedding the excess wind while still generating power. Other turbines freeze. This one keeps going. Cost $25,000 to $35,000 fully installed, but it generates 10,000 to 14,000 kilowatt hours per year, enough to completely zero out the average home's electricity bill. Built to last 25 years with almost 0 maintenance. LIAMF1. The problem: urban wind is chaotic and unpredictable. The solution: a turbine that doesn't care. The LIAMF1 uses an Archimedes screw design, a spiral cone that accepts wind at angles up to 60 degrees off axis without losing performance. It finds its own orientation through pure physics. No motors, no more sensors, and its whisper quiets below 45 decibels. Quieter than your refrigerator. It claims to extract up to 80% of the theoretical maximum energy from the wind, one of the highest efficiency figures ever recorded. Cost $3,200 for the turbine. Fully installed, $5,000 to $7,000. Flower Turbines. The problem: turbines are noisy, dangerous to birds, and don't work next to each other. The solution: these do the opposite of everything you expect. Flower Turbines look like aerodynamic tulips. Silent, bird safe, and they actually get more efficient the closer together you place them. Most turbines create dirty, turbulent air behind them, destroying the performance of any nearby turbine. But Flower Turbines use a cluster effect. Each turbine's spinning air actively accelerates the blades of its neighbor by up to 20%. Start generating at just 2 miles per hour of wind. Entry level, $1,400. Residential rooftop versions, $4,500. Commercial grade, up to $9,500. Primus Wind Power Air Series. The problem: small turbines are complicated to wire up. The solution: 2 wires. Done. The Primus Air was built for the maritime industry saltwater. sub-zero winds, constant vibrations on sailboat masts, the entire electronic brain rectifier, dump load, charge controller is built directly inside the turbine itself. You run two copper wires down the pole, straight into your battery bank. That's it. Costs $1,200 to $1,500. No external controller needed. Starts spinning at 7 miles per hour. Generates 30 to 35 kilowatt hours per month at steady 12 miles per hour winds. The ultimate plug-and-play wind generator. IceWind. The problem: extreme weather destroys every other turbine. The solution: build one that thrives on it. Engineered in Iceland, where wind doesn't blow, it screams. The IceWind combines two blade systems in one. An inner Savonius rota that wakes up in ultra-low winds and an outer Darius blade system that takes over at high speeds. Survives, winds up to 130 miles per hour without flexing or braking. The generator sits at the base of the unit, completely sealed, protected from freezing rain, dust, and ice. No gears, no exposed wiring, no maintenance. Cost $3,200 to $4,500. Operational lifespan 25 years. Set it, forget it, forever. Wrap up. Solar works great, but it has a fatal weakness. In winter, when days are short and skies are gray, wind is at its absolute strength. A single compact turbine running through a dark winter storm can produce more energy in 24 hours than an entire solar array generates in a week. Wind isn't a backup plan. It's the missing half of true energy independence. And now, for the first time in history, the technology to harvest it fits on your rooftop. Which turbine would you put on your property? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Quick reference card. Hashtag turbine price best. 4.6 Tesup Atlas, $900, $3,000. Urban zoning restrictions, 5 SD6, $25,000. $35,000 open land storm zones for Liam F1, $5,000. $7,000. Chaotic Urban Wind 3. Flower Turbines, 1,400.